as I see it.
Hey,
you call us, you see, you've been drinking for fucking 12 fucking
who wants to
hours.
kill Colwood? Hey,
I'm
Lego.
gonna fucking strangle him.
You want to kill him?
I'm gonna shove this fucking
Let's do it. Let's do it right now. Let's do it right now.
Fuck out of here. I'll hold him down.
You lube up the broomstick. Let's do it.
No, if we're gonna do it, we're not lubing shit
Yeah,
up.
what do you need to lube for, dude? Make it painful.
Thank you, Binkley.
Hey,
Thank you, Binkley, for enlightening all of us on the painful stuff.
Do I
Yeah.
like
Let's take it something up somebody's ass with that.
Hey, you know what I like hanging
I've
out
been fucked by the big red one. That
Shut the
broomstick
fuck
ain't
up,
doing
you
shit.
Do you know what I like hanging out with Binkley?
No, I can't imagine anything that would be enjoyable about hanging out with Binkley.
I'll let you know this.
Dancing.
Okay, let me.
Yeah.
No, it's not dancing, alright? I'm gonna get philosophical about it, alright?
I don't even know what that word means. So
Come on, Aristotle, man. Let's go.
Use philosophical in a sentence.
Let's go, Aristotle. Let's go.
The life of Reagan had no meaning besides the philosophical point of view that he helped many people.
Hey, come on, let's go. What's up? Philosophical, man.
Let me tell you about your life.
Come on, you Pharisee. Let's go.
You make me feel better about sleeping with women that are ugly. That's the philosophy.
Yeah, that makes sense.
If I could do that for everybody, I would.
I know, you have a great life, Binkley. You sleep with nasty bitches and you make us feel better about sleeping with them.
I haven't slept with a nasty bitch yet. Not the bitches that you sleep with, because I've seen a couple of them. And I'll tell you what, they're not my...
Sorry. I slipped on my ass. Did you see that? That was bad.
I think I just dribbled in my pants a little bit.
Hey, look, the retard fell on the floor, and it's on video.
That was God punishing me.
God punished the fuck out of you.
Hell yeah, he did, that motherfucker. He's a good man. Honestly, I have no hate against God. He's a good man. He knows what happened. I did the wrong thing.
I just dribbled my pants a little bit, dude.
I did the wrong thing.
What the fuck just happened?
God punished me.
Hey.
I was fucking around. You know how God is.
I'm crying. I'm fucking crying. What the fuck? Oh my god.
Listen to me. God's a good man. He punishes you. You understand why. I basically talked about a fat bastard named, what was his name? And he punished me.